Okay, so here's the notes for solving multi-step inequalities. Remember that solving an inequality, it's the same exact steps as solving an equation, a multi-step equation. If you have anything to distribute, distribute. If you have any like terms to combine, then combine them. And then you move into a two-step process where you use your inverse operations. But the one thing you have to remember, if you ever multiply or even divide by a negative number, then you have to flip your inequality sign. Meaning in this case, if I divided by a negative or even multiplied by a negative, I'd have to switch this around to face the other direction. Let me show you an example. In this case, I don't have anything to distribute, but I do have like terms to combine. Stay in your lanes, bring everything straight down. Negative 10 less than or equal to, now x plus 2x makes 3x, and I bring down this plus 2. Didn't have anything to distribute. I did have like terms. I combined them. Now I can do my inverse operations. I'm trying to get things away from the x, so let's move the 2. Do the opposite, subtract it. Negative 10 minus 2 would be negative 12. Bring this down, bring down my 3x. This canceled out because it equals 0. Inverse operation, divide by 3, divide by 3, and I get x is greater than or equal to, and that equals negative 4. Now, I did not flip this symbol because I did not divide by a negative number. I divided by positive 3. In this example, I do have something to distribute, so I do that. And I get 20 minus 4x, bring the rest down. I do also have like terms to combine, so I do that. 20 and a plus 1 makes 21, and I bring down my minus 4x, my sign, and the 5 on the other side. Now I can do inverse operation, trying to get stuff away from the x. Let's move the 21. That 21 is positive, not negative. That minus sign goes with the 4. So the opposite of this would be to subtract 21. That's what's going to make it equal 0, and cancels out. So we bring down the negative 4x, our sign, and then 25 minus 21 is going to be negative 16. Divide by negative 4. Inverse operation. And because I just divided by a negative number, that's when I need to take this symbol, flip it the other direction, and then negative 16 divided by negative 4 makes a positive 4, and that would be our answer.